Okay, so now we're in question 7 for part D. And it says find the perimeter of this shape, the polygon. Now perimeter just means I have a camel and I'm going to make a fence, a sillage. It doesn't matter what the fence looks like. Perimeter just means add up all the outside. So if this is 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, the perimeter would just mean add up all the sides and how big is the fence, how big is the sillage. So it doesn't matter what the shape is, it's always just the outside and add everything up. So here it happens to be a triangle, so my perimeter is 21 plus 11 plus 22, okay, which is 21 plus 11 plus 22 equals 54 centimeters. Yeah. Now if you forget, perimeter of a triangle is just A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, not the height. You don't include the height in the perimeter. It's only like the sillage, the fence. Okay. Now it says find the perimeter of this. So here's my camel, and I don't want it to run away. What some people will do is they'll just add these two pieces. But if my camel only has a fence here and here, it can easily run away. There's my camel running away, okay? Because you need all of the fence. So if this is 5.9, this is 5.9. If this is 1.3, this is 1.3. So my perimeter is equal to 1.3 plus 5.9 plus 5.9 plus 1.3. Perimeter is plus. Perimeter is plus. And here it's meters. There. So now it says find the area of this triangle. When we look at the formula, area of a triangle is half times base times height. And base is the bottom of the triangle and height is exactly up and down. So my area is equal to half times base times height. Okay, so I go half, base is the bottom, which is 48, and height, if you go to the doctor's office and they measure your height, do you stand like this, or do you stand like this? This way. This is how you measure your height. You don't stand on an angle, so this is not the height, this is the height. So 34 is the height, because you stand straight up and down to see how tall you are, okay? So, a half times 48 times 34. And because it's area has two A's, it's centimeters squared. So 816 centimeters squared. Okay. Now it says find the area again. So area is equal to half times base times height. So we have half, base is for the bottom, which is 50.5, and the height, now remember, stand up straight and tall, not this way for height. So the height is this one, not this one, so it's 44. So a half, let's delete this, times 50.5 times 44. Oh, nice. 1, 1, 1, 1, and because it's feet squared. Area has two A's, so remember 2. So find the missing length. So when you need to find the missing length, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. We have to use A plus B equals C. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So you find the 90-degree angle, and always across from it is C. And then it doesn't matter if this is A or B. So let's call that one A, that's B. So A is 3, so 3 squared. b is 14, so 14 squared equals c squared. So 3 squared. Is that 6 or 9? That's 3 times 3. So it's 9. And 14 squared, 196, c squared. So 9 plus 196 is 205. Now look, they have 205 there to trick you. Okay, and you go, oh, I found the answer, but no, look, be careful, it's c squared equals 205. So you have to take, that's like c times c is this. You have to take the square root of both sides to find just c. So we have to go the square root of 205. Don't be tricked. Equal 14 point. Now here, 3. 1 is small, so it stays a 3. There we go. So be careful, they're going to trick you. They're going to give you the answer that's c squared. Don't take it. Okay? Next. It says find the missing length. Ooh, when you have to find something missing, when something's missing, you have to use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So here's my right angle. Across from that is C. We'll call that A and B. It doesn't matter if this is AB or BA, but lazim. This one must be C. So A is 11. We don't know B. And C is 15. So 11 squared is 121. And what's 15 squared? Is that 225? 225. Now B wants to be alone, so I have to get rid of the 121. So I'm going to move them to the other side. So minus 121, minus 121. That's 0. So B squared equals 225 minus 121. Now again, they're going to try and trick you. They're going to say, look, 104 is there. B squared is 104. But that's something times something is 104. We want to find just for B. So take the square root. So B is equal to the square root of 104. Which is 10.1. But look, that 9 is big. So that rounds up to 2. So 10.2. There we go. So don't let them trick you.